Hi, today I want to share with you how I got my perfect quiz for my Facebook group. I needed a reliable and accurate personality quiz for my project. And I quickly realized that existing options weren't really suitable for what I needed. I wanted a rating system that would produce truly valid results. And after looking at dozens and dozens of tools available, nothing seems to match what I had in mind. That's when I reached out to my digitalne poslovne rešitve, who did an excellent job. And eventually, they found AidaForm, the platform that turned out to be the perfect solution. Just to show you, this is my poslovne digitalne rešitve, my partner in crime. And this is the free online platform builder that they found. So, back to our quiz. The challenge that we faced was twofold. First, I needed a quiz with a specific answering logic. Each question should allow respondents to distribute 10 points across three answer options. They could either give all 10 points to one option or split them in any combination they wanted to among the three possibilities. But the total for each row had to equal 10. So this type of force distribution or Ipsative quiz prevents the everything is important bias and ensures that the results are more accurate and meaningful. For example, if you just have to go for one option, this doesn't really go with most people. And most standard surveys tools simply don't offer this without complicated workarounds or expensive plans. So I didn't have the knowledge. And to be honest, I didn't want to spend a fortune on the quiz either. So let me show you what I had in mind. This is the intro to the quiz, the first page. I'm doing it on desktop, but of course it looks just as good on mobile as well. And this is an example before respondents start the quiz. This is the example that they can see. So I see myself as, and now we distribute 10 points among those three options. In this case, 7 for the first option, 3 points for the second option, and 0 points for the third option. So let's start the quiz, but I want to explain a little bit more about it before we go through the quiz so you can see how it looks in real life when you go ahead and do it. So the second challenge we faced, the quiz had to display results at the end. I wanted people when they finish the quiz that they get their results, not, to wait for them or getting them in email. Results had to be displayed right away based on scores added by columns and provide corresponding instructions for each outcome. Most tools either don't calculate totals by column or require scripts or external integrations like Zapier with Google Sheets to achieve it. And while there are quiz platforms that can show results, none offer the force distribution scoring I needed until my found AidaForm. AidaForm is a cloud-based form builder that allows anyone to create surveys, quizzes, and other interactive forms without coding. So you don't have to know how to code. Its drag and drop interface is intuitive, mobile responsive, and flexible, with options like conditional logic, live calculations, embedded video audio, and integrations with services like MailChimp or Zapier. Best of all, it comes with a freemium model and low-cost paid tiers, making it highly cost-effective compared to some larger platforms that, I don't doubt that they can provide you with the same luxuries as AidaForm does. To build a quiz, we started from a tutorial and a template for a multi-score quiz using rating scale questions and formula fields. By default, it could tally scores in columns, but it didn't restrict users to a total of 10 points per question. So I had to work with to add additional formulas that sum the points in real time and implemented a simple logic. If the sum of a row isn't exactly 10, the continue button simply doesn't work. This ensures that respondents can't proceed without following the distribution rule. We also needed some tweaks and added to follow selecting 0 where needed. And after some workaround, the end result is a seamless, accurate, and engaging quiz experience. Thanks to my expertise and Aida's form flexibility, I now have a quiz that delivers more valid results, is easy to use, and avoids the common pitfalls of standard survey tools. And now, if you want to bear with me, I will go through the quiz so you can see how clean and nice it looks, and also how it presents results. I will just randomly click here, and you see your sum is 10, so please continue. Let's do something that doesn't work. So your current sum is 12 out of 10, and the next button doesn't work. So I have to do it again, and now it will work. And the fourth question, again. And let's try one with the 0, then 0. So this works nicely as well. 0, 5, 5. And I think this should be it. I want to collect emails, so you have to write an email, but you get the results right away. Your alchemy language is energy, so a short description of the style and the language. And this is how you finish when you're done with it. And I like how it looks in the end. It's, the Facebook groups look and feel all through the quiz. And if you're curious about the personality quiz that I showed you, you can join the Communication Alchemy group on Facebook. It's completely free. And one of the perks right when you sign in is the quiz, the Discover Your Alchemy language. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope to see you in my Facebook group, or if you need any kind of quizzes and questionnaires, I totally recommend my Digitalne poslovne rešitve. They bear with me all the way through to the end, even though I'm a very demanding customer, I know that. And AidaForms as the perfect solution for something that you just saw. Thank you for now, and hope to see you in my Facebook group.